Hi, welcome back to the Two Guys Kitchen. I'm Max, and today we're doing something a little different. We're doing a spiral cut hot dog. Now, the reason for spiral cutting a hot dog is so that we get extra surface, so it gets nice and crispy on the grill, and it opens up so that we can put the condiments inside the hot dog rather than having them running around on the outside. So here we go. Put the skewer all the way through the hot dog. Now, put the hot dog down, take your knife, and just cut through so that the hot dog is being skewered all the way around. You can add extra cuts if you'd like. Now that's it, we put it on the grill. Ready to go. Well, we finished our hot dog, and as you saw, it has char marks all the way around it, and the meat is wide open to the flame, allowing you to put the condiments right across there, and they soak down into the hot dog, making you the king of the grill. So, next time that you want to really impress people, spiral cut that hot dog. And of course, subscribe to our channel. That'll make you a hero too. And you can also hit the bell, that way you'll know next time that we do something like this. Have a good day. Goodbye from the kitchen.